Hello, today we will discuss about neutral axis shear stress at distance, different distance above the neutral axis, and this is our problem number 8.3 taken from RK Bansal. A rectangular beam 100 mm wide. Sorry, this is this I draw. This is 100 mm wide, 250 mm depth. Deep is subjected to maximum shear force 50 kN. Determine the average shear stress, maximum shear stress, and shear stress at distance of 25 mm above the neutral axis. So first we will draw about this shear stress diagram. It will look like this one. It will look like this one. Sorry, this one. Here maximum shear stress, and the maximum shear stress is 1.5 time average shear stress. So first we will import our B is 100, D is depth is 250, F is 50 kilonewton, and first we will divide in line space with D1. We will import D1 is equal to NP line space 0 to 250 by 2, means it will divide these two. First 0 to this 250 means 250 to 125, and then it will divide 100 division. A is equal to simple B into D, means area I is equal to BD cube by 12. Our area means shear stress average is equal to tau means F by A, and our T max is equal to 1.5 T average. We will print our average shear stress and maximum shear stress. It will syntax will be print. This is inverted comma maximum shear stress. We will import our value T max, and this is simply MPa. Now we will it is simple equation F upon 2I multiplied by D square divided by 4 minus this every location which we have to find our shear stress value. It will import this one. So it will every means 125 divided by 100 means each of around 1.25. It will calculate our shear stress value. Now it is simple figure plot. Figure size 5 by 3 means 13. So it is the length of this image is 13 and width of this image is 5 inch. Our PLT grid means this grid will be true. Our X label is shear stress MPa. This one shear stress MPa, and Y label is length. This one length, and our X tick NP arrange 0 to 3.3 means here to here. Why it is not coming 3.3? Because it will just calculate means start with 0. It will not start with 1. So every time here you can see that I had kept step is 0.3. So below this 0.3 means 3, it will this point will be started. Same thing, y tick is minus 140, this one minus 140 to 140. Step is 10, so it will divide means this 140 minus 10 means 130. So it is showing up to 130 only. Now this is tricky. So plt dot plot this t1 dot t1. If you just do this one, if you run this code, it will only show up to 0 to 125 diameter. If you lengthwise. So we want to see other half of also. So how I will do, I will just flip my t value and flip my d1 value, and I will multiply by with minus 1. So it will look like this one. So it will start with 0, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40. The value will remain same, but our means length value will be different. So minus 40, minus 50. So by this way you can see the graph. If you want to see at 100, you can see our graph is around 1.2. So our shear stress value at 90 or 100, it will be 1.2, around 1.2. Like this way you can plot. Thank you guys.